Hello, this is Mike Janulitis, owner of Cornerbull Software. A few weeks ago, we had a customer ask if Cornerbull supported appending syslog messages to a CSV file. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Event Log Manager 2020 to forward syslog messages to a CSV file for external consumption. From the menu bar, select File, New, expand Template, then select Log Monitor. Under Subtype, select Syslog. From the General tab, specify a friendly name, for example, Syslog Monitor to CSV. The schedule is preset to real-time. If you need to apply exclusion rules, you can modify the real-time schedule. Select the Rules tab. Click the plus button under Rules. From the Log Monitor Rule dialog, use the Filter drop-down to target specific messages, or leave the filter blank to save all messages to your CSV file. For this tutorial, I'm going to leave the filter blank. Select the second trigger option if you would like to apply message frequency rules. For example, only append entries to the CSV file after 4 entries that match the filter criteria have been received within 5 minutes. If you are targeting specific entries which you would like to be notified about, set the monitor state to warning or critical. Next, select the pre-installed Append to CSV File action. By default, this action will append each message. If you have installed an older version and this action does not exist, you can either manually create it or select Tools, Create Default Objects. If I double-click on the action, we can see the output folder and the write options. You can overwrite the previous file, append, or back up the previous file before creating a new file. If I click the Test button, then View in Explorer, we can see the test file. Lastly, you have the option to limit the number of times messages are appended to the CSV file over a period of time. For example, only write 1 entry every minute. When you're done, click OK. Next, we need to assign the devices we would like to apply this monitor to. From the Hosts drop-down, select the target devices. If the device is not listed, click the Add button. You can manually specify the IP address, browse Active Directory, or browse the local network. If you would like to apply this template to a set of devices, add the devices to a group, then assign the group to a template. For example, Syslog devices. For this tutorial, I'm just going to select my local host. Lastly, the Error Actions tab provides you with the option to receive notifications when there is a problem appending to the CSV file. Now, if I close and save the changes, we can see the template was assigned to the local host. Next, we want to test this new monitor. Scroll down, expand Actions, Log, then Syslog. If I right-click and select Properties, we can see the pre-installed Syslog action writes an error to the local host. We know it's localhost because the server field is blank. If I click Test, a message is sent out and we can see the state on the local host is set to warning. If I right-click on the monitor and select Explore, we can see the current state and the monitor history. Under the local host, we can see a node called Real-Time Syslog Viewer. And if we open that up, we can see the viewer shows the message. Finally, if I right-click on the Append to CSV File action, and select Show in Explorer, we can see the CSV file. That's Syslog to CSV File using Log Manager 2020. If you like this video, please like it when you're done. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you in the future.